Hello dear students, I'm your ICT teacher Miss Ria, back again with another video on Excel. In your previous lesson, you saw how to divide numbers using Excel formula and you checked the decimals and fractions. Today's lesson is going to be a review lesson of all the topics that you've learned so far in Excel. That is, you learned how to add a new worksheet, you learned how to rename the worksheet, and you used the Excel formulas to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers. In this entire lesson, these were the words that you learned: cell reference, rename, worksheet, and formulas. Cell reference is nothing but the cell name. Rename is used to rename the worksheet. That is, just by double-clicking on the worksheet name, you can rename it. Worksheet is nothing but the spreadsheet. And formula is what you use to perform the mathematical operations. And this is a symbol for multiplication. This is plus. This is division symbol. This is minus. And this is equals. In this keyboard, you can see this red circle shows the plus symbol. This yellow circle shows the minus. This is multiplication. This blue circle shows the division symbol in your keyboard, and this is where you can find equals. Now I'm going to open this Grade 2 ICT Excel Review Practical Sheet. Okay, I have attached the same sheet in your Google Classroom. Okay, you can double click and open that sheet. When I open the sheet, it looks like this. Now don't worry, you're going to get the same sheet. I have attached it in the Google Classroom. Okay, so now if you look at the first sheet, it's eating fruits. Similarly, there are many more sheets: buying grocery, collecting shells, eating mangoes, harvesting tomatoes. Then we have Reem's marbles, my cookies. Then we have Haya's meatballs. Just keep clicking. If you click on these dots, you get more. Okay, pet shop, Jasmine's library. There are so many sheets. I've attached this so that you can practice Excel formulas. These are all word problems, just like you have it in maths. So you just have to read the question and decide which operations you are going to perform over here. The blank space will be left out like this. If you see this one, this cell is blank. That means you need to type the answer over here. Alright, and how to type the answer? By using Excel formulas. Now let me go to the first one. So it says, my mom gave me 9 oranges, my aunt gave me 3 apples, my dad gave me 5 bananas. This is how many fruit I had. So how many, what should I do over here? Okay, there are apples, bananas, and oranges. So how many fruits do I have? How do I do it? Yes, it is to add, right? So the formula begins with equal symbols. From my keyboard, I'm typing equal. Then comes the cell reference. Click on the first cell. Then press the plus symbol. See, it's adding up. B3 plus, B3 plus. The second cell plus the third cell. Sorry, this cell. Okay, so if you see the cells that I've clicked, the cell reference, it has got different colors. This is blue, this is red, this is purple. Okay, now click on enter. The answer is here. Okay, now this is the number. Now if I change the number here to, my mom gave me 10 apples, it changes automatically, right? This is because you have entered the formula, and formula is just using the cell reference, and it's not taking the actual value, it's just taking the cell reference, and that is how the answer keeps changing whenever you change the number. Alright, now let me go to the second sheet. So if you see this question, it says I had this many mangoes. I had 8 mangoes. My sister ate this many mangoes, 7. Okay, so how many mangoes are left? What should I do here? Yes, subtract. So again, equal symbol, click on the first number, minus the second number and press the enter key. So these many mangoes are left. Okay, and this is my Excel formula. Similarly, you can go to different sheets and you can click on the cell, read the question and type the formula to get the answer. For example, this one says, Reem bought from a store 50 marbles. She gave away Alia 14 marbles. Number of marbles left with Reem are, come on, yes, it is subtraction. So use the subtraction formula. So next here, Ben has 12 cookies. Daisy has 14 more cookies. How many cookies does Daisy have? What should we do here? Yes, she has more cookies, right? So how many cookies are there in total? You have to add over here. Yes, next one, if you see Haya's meatball. Haya had on a plate 25 meatball. Kristen eats from her plate 6 meatballs. How many meatballs are left? When you hear the word left, it means you need to subtract. Let me go to the next question. Now look at this Dr. Smith sheet. It says Dr. Smith works for the hospital in Dubai. He works for 6 days in a week. Each day he works for 8 hours. So total number of hours Dr. Smith works. How many hours does he work? How will you find it? Each day he is working for 8 hours. So I've given you a clue here. It's multiplication. So let's put the equal symbol. The first cell, multiply symbol. Okay, the second cell, enter. This is 48 hours. So now look at this sheet. This sheet is Ahmed's album. Okay, Ahmed's album. So here it says Ahmed collected some family pictures to put in an album. He had 21 pictures. If one album contains only 7 pictures, so Ahmed needs how many albums to put all the pictures? How many albums he needs? One album, only 7 pictures. He has 21 pictures. What should we do here? You're right, we need to divide. A hint is given here. It's division. So I will click on equal symbol first. Click on the first number, divide by the second number. Press enter. So he needs 3 albums to put 21 pictures. Alright, this way you can complete your assignment. So in this sheet there are almost 14 sheets. Alright, you don't have to complete all 14. You can do only 4 sheets. Click on any sheet you want, read it and do it. Okay, the minimum amount of sheets that you need to complete is just 4. Not all 14. You can click on the one that you want and complete. Okay, so your today's practical activity is open the Excel file attached in the Google Classroom. The name of the file is Grade 2 ICT Excel Review Practice Sheet 29-24-2020. This is the Excel sheet. Okay, this one, it looks like this. Open it and complete at least 4 questions. Click on the sheet that is over here. Okay, click on those sheets and you can complete at least 4 of them. Only 4 is enough. You don't have to worry, you don't have to do all the 14 sheets. 4 sheets is enough. Thanks for watching the video. Stay healthy, stay at home and stay blessed.